to create Facebook page auto replies. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can create the Facebook page auto replies. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you need to open up a browser and go to facebook.com or Meta Business Suite, which is business.facebook.com. After that, log in into your Facebook page that you wanna make the changes to. So here, just hit the inbox after you have done that, and here you'll be able to see automations option. So you just need to click on that automations, and here you'll be able to give suggestions, but we're gonna create automation. So after that, here you will be able to see instant reply option. Here, simply click on it and click on this create automation on the below. After that, you'll be redirected to this page where you'll see instant reply. Just make sure to turn it on, and on channel make sure to turn on this messenger. If there is Instagram, make sure to turn on that Instagram option as well. After that, here on inbuilt, you'll be able to see a message that says, "Hi, thanks for contacting us." You may just use this message or edit it according to your choice, and leave a message for your people on your customers or for your page. After that, simply just save the changes, and that's how you basically make instant reply on Facebook pages. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.